Hey there! Do you have a collection of family photos and home videos that you'd like to share with relatives who don't live nearby? One easy and fun way to do this is by creating a family history video and sharing it online. We'll walk you through the basics of sharing your family treasures by creating a family history slideshow with their user-friendly iMovie software. Don't worry, anyone can do this with the software that's available in most makerspaces. Check out your public library to see what's available to you. If you have a Mac at home, iMovie should already be installed on it. Let's get started. First, you need to have the source files for your videos. These can be photos, videos, audio files, or even scans of sentimental letters or recipes. If you are capturing the video straight from your camera, you will need to locate the memory card slot or find the appropriate cables to connect your camera to your computer. You can also download photos and videos from your phone. Once all the source files are in the same place on your computer, we can open iMovie to create our video. Hit the big plus button and create a new movie. From here, you will see an area where those source materials will live, the project timeline, and the place where you can preview the video edits. Hit Import Media or Command I on your keyboard. Select all of the media that you would like to include in your video and hit Import Selected. Now you can drag media into the project timeline to begin your sequence. Photos will line up in a linear sequence left to right, in the order that you want them to play. From here, you can adjust the length of each clip to find an appropriate timing. Adding audio is simple. Drag the audio into the video timeline and it should pop right below the visuals. Lastly, you may want to add titles and captions to your videos. Just tab over to the title section and select one that you like. Drag it over to the portion of the video that you want to add text, and voila! You can change your text, fonts, and colors in the section over here. Don't forget to test your video before exporting by scrolling back to the beginning and hitting the spacebar to replay and check for any errors. When everything is good to go, click File and then Share. From here, you will have many options, but if you just want a copy of the video file, click File. From here, you can change the title and display options. Select Next. From here, choose where you'd like to save your files to on your computer and then click Save. The file will take a few minutes to export, but once finished, you can then locate it and share it with your friends and family. So find your local makerspace and get started on sharing your family history. If you want to learn more, check out our references in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy editing.